In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select all in Asana. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to select a range of tasks so you can bulk edit things like assignees and due dates, or even delete multiple tasks at once when needed. First, open your web browser and head to Asana's login page. Sign in the way you normally do. I'll use the Continue with Google option, then choose my account to move straight into my workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the project where you want to work. It helps to be in the list view, so tasks are stacked vertically, making it easy to select a range. Open the project and let it load fully so you're seeing the complete task list. Now click a single task to set your starting point. Think of this as placing an anchor. If your goal is to select everything in a section or a long stretch of tasks, click the first task in that range. Next, hold the Shift key on your keyboard, then click another task further up or down the list. Asana will automatically select the first task you clicked, the one you shift-clicked, and everything in between. This is the simplest way to select all within a continuous range. For example, if you click the very top task and then shift-click the very bottom one, you'll capture the entire block in one move. Take a moment to confirm the highlighted tasks match what you intended. As soon as multiple tasks are selected, you'll see a toolbar appear at the top of the screen. This toolbar is your control center for bulk actions. You can assign all selected tasks to a teammate in one go, which is perfect for handing off a batch of work. You can also set or change the due date for all selected tasks, keeping timelines consistent across the group. And if you're doing cleanup, you can delete the selected tasks together. Use that with care. It's a powerful option when clearing out duplicates or outdated items. A quick best practice: after applying a bulk change, glance through the selection to make sure everything updated as expected. This small check can save a lot of time. And if you're working across different sections, repeat the anchor and shift-click technique for each range you need. That's it. You've learned how to select a range of tasks in Asana and use the bulk edit toolbar to streamline your workflow. Try it on your next project to save time and keep your task management tidy.